coffee grounds. The coffee, it tightens the skin and it also smooths out your puffy eyes. And also can get rid of your dark circles and fine lines. Clean face. Now let's apply my favorite eye mask. This coffee and coconut oil, I also made a video regarding the cellulite. It also can help reduce the cellulite appearance. So you just apply it here. I also want to apply on my eyelids because I also have a discoloration there. Kind of help to reduce the darkness appearance in my eyelids area. It's like I have an imaginary light brown eyeshadow. Okay, wait for 15 minutes and I'll get back to you. I look like Hector from the Coco cartoons, if you know that one. Okay, so I just let it sit for 15 minutes and go ahead and massage my under eye. Okay, I think I'm done. Now you can go ahead and wash your face. I'll get back to you. Okay, so I'm done washing my face. Okay. I don't know if you can notice, I didn't put anything on. It's really shiny because it's very smooth because of the coconut oil. It gives your skin more moisture and hydrated. It feels so hydrated. Anyway, if you have still remaining or coffee eye mask, you can store it. I have this cream container. I got it from Daiso. Because you want that paste consistency and you can store it in your bathroom area. So there you all have it, and I'll see you guys on my next DIY. Bye!